gentlemen, without further ado, may we now invite Dr. Amy Kaur, Senior Minister of State, up on stage for her opening address.
Mr. Alan Chan, Chairman, LTA, Mr. Kun Lang, CEO, LTA, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, very good morning to one and all. I think it must be a really auspicious day because today very fine weather. Yeah, absolutely a high-speed test track that allow trains to reach maximum speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour for traction and brake testing. Second, a 3-kilometer endurance track with an uphill gradient to test if our trains remain durable after running for a specific mileage.
At this point of time, we would also like to invite on stage GPC Member for Transport, Mr. Lim Biao Chuan. Shall we give it a round of applause? Thank you. GPC Member for Transport, Ms. Yoma Cross Island Lines, Mr. Ng Ki Nam. Once again, let's give a round of applause to our guest of honor and our guests on the stage. Now that everyone is in their position, we'd like to invite Senior Minister of State, Dr. Amy Kaur, and our guests to place their hands on the launch button. And all our guests here today, we need you to do the countdown all together, alright? We'll count down from 3. Ladies and gentlemen, in 3, 2, 1! Present to you the Singapore Rail Test Centre. The opening of SRTC. Thank you.
So next is the SRTC building features. Later SMS I will give you.
Maybe I got here more integration, strength, and endurance, and also the admin building. The one at the bottom here is actually controlling the power of the facility. So our facility is able to support two kind of train power, so 150 and also 1005. If you can see here, the bottom actually have a blue colored that's been drawn or lighted, which means I think before we move on to the viewing gallery, maybe you guys would like to have a photo shoot. Maybe you can stand here.
Structures that you see that is coming up with the galvanized steel rebar. This will be structures that we further constructed by the future contractor to connect all to the right hand side of us. You can see the different hand strike that we have. Currently, the CCL frame is right at the front.
think my content for this video is all real.
Right.